When cutting the grass this morning, I noticed that the lawnmower was making rings. Seems like every time the wheels made it around to a certain point, or I slowed down, it would cut into the grass. About a half an inch more than normal. You see those rings? I was walking very steady, same pace, same speed, not speeding up, not slowing down, and look at the rings. The grass is very level through here, or the ground I should say is very level, but the rings, there, 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 and it's the whole yard. It's not just there. You walk over here and you see ring, small ring, ring, kind of a ring, ring, ring. You see as it's dipping in the yard? You can see it across the entire yard. See, it did a ring there, and then there, then there. So it's not just in one place, it's everywhere. And I have no idea what's causing this. But I'm guessing it has something to do with the transmission on the Husqvarna mower. That's what I'm guessing. But you can see the rings, or the half rings I should say. It's like the blade is being tipped to the forward just a little bit. Even when I'm pushing the mower at the same speed, same pressure, all-wheel drive enabled, so I'm barely pushing it at all. So that's what I'm dealing with.